Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to charge your headphones JBL Live Flex free using your phone. Basically you have a few options how to doing it. The first one is to use USB-C cable to USB-C cable, but if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect it to your phone. And the second one to your headphones at the back, right here. We can see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. But also we have another option, is to use a reverse charging, if your phone doesn't support it. So just enable it, and then we can put our headphones on the phone, and it also charging. I can show you a LED light, yeah, as you can see. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.